हाँ? हाँ।
Yes.
भूत बिहार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात सिखाती। थैंक यू
बोलो.
थैंक Good evening, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you share make you the best teachers. Second, thank you, teacher, for reaching deep in me to find all I can be before I can see it myself. You never gave up on me. The best future because of you. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. मेरे प्यारे टीचर बनाती है मुझे होशियार, बनाती है मुझे सब कुछ। खेल खेल में मन उड़ाए मेरी प्यारी टीचर, मेरी प्यारी टीचर पढ़ाती है मुझे 1 2 3, पढ़ाती है मुझे ABC। मेरी प्यारी मेरी प्यारी टीचर पढ़ाती है हिंदी, पढ़ाती है मुझे EVS। प्यारी टीचर।
Good evening. I am Ayush Kumar Gupta. Happy Teachers' Day. I am presenting in the poem. टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज नई, कभी सुनाती एक कविता, कभी सुनाती एक कहानी, करे कभी जो हम शैतानी, कान पकड़े याद आए नानी, अच्छे काम पर मिले शाबाशी, टीचर बनाती मुझे आत्मविश्वासी। टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज नहीं। थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
मैं टीचर्स डे पे स्पीच देना चाहता हूँ। टीचर डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया एवरी ईयर ऑन 5 September to pay tribute to the teachers for their priceless contribution to the society. There is a great reason behind celebration of Teachers Day on 5th of September. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who improved towards education. Bye.
Alphabets were alien to me. You were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue. The manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers who have taught me something in some way, Happy Teachers Day.
Hello ma'am. Hi everyone. My name is Ikshita Jujal. I study in second B. My topic is Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Day. आप जो पढ़ाओगे हमको पढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Thank you.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको शरण में लाके, रौनक मिली जहाँ की चरणों में गुरु के आके. गुरु तेरे चरणों में मैंने तो जहाँ पाया, मिल गई सारी खुशियाँ.
Good morning everyone. At first, a very happy Teachers Day. Today, I, Vansh Sharma of class 9C, is here to represent my views on the special occasion of Teachers Day. गुरु तुम्हारी महिमा का मैं किस विध करूं विधान, गुरु तुम्हारी महिमा का मैं किस विध करूं विधान. तुम तराश कर देते हो मूर्ख को अति विद्वान, तुम तराश कर देते हो मूर्ख को अति विद्वान. तुम ही द्रोण तुम ही कौटिल्य तुम ही हो परशुराम, तुम ही द्रोण तुम ही कौटिल्य तुम ही हो परशुराम. दिल से मैं बस यही कहूँ कि गुरु बिन मिले न ज्ञान, दिल से मैं बस यही कहूँ कि गुरु बिन मिले न ज्ञान. Teachers are the one who build the path for our better future and successful life. Thank to my all teachers who are building such a path. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He was great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon everyone. How are you doing today? I am going to sing a song for my lovely teacher. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, love me too. Yes I do. You are so nice, you're so kind.
Teachers Day speech. Teachers Day celebrated on 5 September every year in India. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a great president and excellent teacher. A good teacher teaches from the book, teach from the heart, not from the book. The word teacher means T for talented, T for elegant, A for asman, C for charming, H for helpful, E for encouraging, R for responsible. occasion of Teachers' Day. मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त है सच्ची, बहुत प्यार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात सिखाती। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, students. Myself, Safalta. How are you? सबने अपना लंच डन विद योर लंच? क्या खाया आज सबने? अच्छा, मैं आपको एक एक्टिविटी दे रही हूँ। उस बाबू, उस पे आपको एक ड्राइंग बनानी है। वैसे मेरी ड्राइंग बहुत गंदी है, पर आप अच्छी बना देना, ओके? हाँ आरुष, हैंड क्यों करा आपने? वॉशरूम? मुझे पता था आपको वॉशरूम पे जाना है। गो बच्चा। अच्छा, और एक बात और मुझे बताओ कि सबके एग्जाम में तुम आप फुल मार्क्स लाए हो, बस मेरे एग्जाम में इतने कम मार्क्स क्यों लाए हो? अच्छा ओके, कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से प्रैक्टिस करना। ओके, थैंक यू।
Wow, very pretty. Let me take the screenshot. थोड़ा नीचे करो बच्चे, आपका फेस नहीं आ पा रहा। ओके, डन। इसका फ्रंट पेज दिखाओ, जहाँ पे आपने हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। वेट, ओके। अभी तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले रही हूँ, बट खत्म होने के बाद क्लास जब ओवर हो जाएगी, मुझे एक साफ फोटो क्लिक अच्छे से क्लिक, और जिनका भी स्पीच है, पोएम है, प्लीज वो अपनी वीडियो बना के मुझे सेंड करें। ओके, हाँ जी बच्चे।
My name is Chahak. I am going to present the poem on my favorite teacher. A teacher should have a special place in every child's heart, because in this game of life help them get their start. I just want to thank you, Safalta ma'am, for all the you are a very special teacher, and to me you are number one too. And happy Teachers Day all of you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Srishti Vishnu. I am in class 2nd. Today my topic is on Teachers Day. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me, and I know you love me. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You are so nice. You are so nice. You are so kind. You are so kind. And you work too hard to teach me something new. So I want to say thank you. So thank you, ma'am. I want to say thank you. Thank you, everyone. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, ना जो भी चाहे मन जाएंगे। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी। My name is Ishita. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to my teacher. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my life of life, you are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. You are my teacher. I love you, teacher. I Princess I study in second B. Today's topic Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day, Happy Day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे वो हम पढ़ते जाएंगे, ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो चाहे वो बन जाएंगे हम. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. ना कभी आपके मन को झुकने देंगे हम, ना कभी आपके मन को झुकने देंगे. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी डे. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज युविका. मेरी मैम बहुत अच्छी, दोस्त हमारी सच्ची, हम बच्चों को प्यार से पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बातें सिखाती. थैंक यू. हेलो मैम, माय नेम इज नेति नेगी. हैप्पी टीचर डे. मैं आपके लिए 4 लाइनें सुनाने वाली हूँ. मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, बच्चों जैसे सच्ची मैडम, खेल खेल में हमें सिखाती, दोनों बातें हमें बताती. थैंक यू मैडम. My name is Dev Kachap. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Good morning to all my dear principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5 September every year in India. First Teacher Day is celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is a birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher.
My name is Alina Sheikh from 4th B class. Speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5 every year in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This day is celebrated to present the gratitude to all the teachers by the students. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the former president of India in 1962 and 1967. Thank you and happy Teachers Day, ma'ams, all.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to you. Today is the special day to offer a warm respect to our teachers. As we know, Teachers Day is celebrated all across India every year on 5th September. Our teacher is a friend, guide and a hope to make our dream to come true. As a teacher, you are a life coach, trainer, planner, checker, role model, cheerleader, meditator and so on. Thank you so much to all my teachers.
Girls, you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up. You know they want it. Girls, you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up. हर और मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां थक जाए सब चूर तेरी मस्ती खत्म नहीं होंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया.
teachers, Teacher's Day is the most crucial occasion in every student's life. Teacher's Day is commemorated on the 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives with just the right of mix of joy and challenges. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माय डियर टीचर्स। सबको रुचि मैम, रवि सर, सुनील सर, पूजा मैम, अमृता मैम, सुरभि मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम, मणिदीपा मैम, हमारे जितने भी टीचर्स हैं सबके तो नाम ले नहीं पाई, वीडियो भी छोटी होती है तो इसलिए सबको हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। सब हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल थे और वीडियो बनाने का मेन मोटिव ये था कि वीडियो से और अच्छी फीलिंग आती है और क्या नाम है, मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ इसलिए तो बस यही कहना चाहती थी। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे और हमेशा हमारे सपोर्ट में रहिएगा, हमेशा हमें इनकरेज करते रहिएगा और हमेशा हमें दुआ में याद रखिएगा। थैंक यू।
Good morning, my dear friends and respected teachers. Today I am here to speak a poem on Teachers' Day. Every day you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Through a paperwork the night before seemed like a graduating race. Money is not your motivation, it's the love for what you do. You hear the special calling to which you always will stay true. Your students are your dedications, devotion is to them. To your each child, unique and special, a beautiful little gem. Each day you're in classroom reminds you why you are there, making the different child live with whom your heart you share. There is a special pride in teachers and love for what you do, and appreciations always shared between those little lives and you. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, ये आपके लिए है। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम। मैं आपको टीचर्स डे में एक सॉन्ग सुनाऊंगी। मेरी मैडम कितनी अच्छी, हम बच्चों जैसी सच्ची, खेल खेल में हमें पढ़ाती, ढेरों सारे बात बताती। हम बच्चों जैसी प्यारी मैडम, सबसे अच्छी न्यारी मैडम। मेरी मैडम कितनी अच्छी, हम बच्चों जैसी सच्ची। थैंक यू मैम। हेलो टू ऑल रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर, पेरेंट्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। माय नेम इज पुष्पक written in speech on Teachers' Day. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birthday anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president of great schooler and an excellent teacher. Thank you everyone.
A very good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th every year in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This day is celebrated to present the gratitude to all the teachers by the students. On this day, many functions are organized by the students in schools, college and any institutes. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the former President of India in 1962 to 1967.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear classmates. Today is a special occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold the student into future leaders. This celebrated at the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher and philosopher, the second president of our country. Teachers are the pillar of country. They guide and shape the destiny of the student. They teach us to become a better human being. They are the reason behind the successful career of the student. They are the guidance light that bright our lives. We are fortunately to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers. We pray for you good health and well-being. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.